This is the current room temperature. This is the current set temperature. This is the current mode. This is the current valve open status. This is the current Wi-Fi connection status. Short press the on-off key to turn the thermostat on or off. Short press the mode switch key at the lower left corner to switch the thermostat between cooling, dehumidification and heating modes. Short press the up or down key to adjust the current set temperature value of the thermostat. In cooling mode, when the current set temperature is lower than the current room temperature, the thermostat opens the valve. In heating mode, when the current set temperature is higher than the current room temperature, the thermostat opens the valve. Short press the fan speed key to adjust the fan speed. Press and hold the fan speed key for 5 seconds to enter the scheduled power off time adjustment. In power off status, press and hold the fan speed key for 5 seconds to enter the scheduled power on time adjustment. Press and hold the up and fan speed for 5 seconds to enter Wi-Fi Bluetooth pairing mode. After pairing, the Wi-Fi icon stops flashing. Press and hold the up and down for 5 seconds to enable the child lock. When the child lock is enabled, the controller keys become inactive. Press and hold the up and down for 5 seconds to disable the child lock, and the thermostat keys become active again.